Yo, I am back from my big trip to Croatia and India, and so I can live stream again. Yeah, just gonna do regular live streaming stuff. I haven't set up anything, haven't looked at the project since my last live stream. So yeah, this is, I'm live streaming every second of this thing. First thing I wanted to mention was I updated the announcement blog post about EpicWeb to include a frequently asked question piece. So if you're curious, when I was at those conferences, a lot of people were asking questions. There were some questions that were frequently asked. And so that's what this is all for. And add more frequently asked questions to this later too. Great. So let's start with centered. And let me quit my email. And, oh, I totally spaced. Forgot to do this. Sorry, I'm just adding this to the EpicWeb livestream calendar. There we go. Yeah, okay, cool. And I've got this. We're gonna just, yeah, restart. Gotta get things updated to latest and greatest version. Okay, let's go. Implement third-party auth.
Let's get our flow on.
That was the next thing, huh? Yeah, I guess let's look. Is that really what I want to work on next? I don't think so. So let's just look at where we're at, and then we'll see what I want to work on. We're Rocket Rental. Here we go. Oh yeah. So here's what I think I might want to do. I'm going to explore switching from Cypress. Yep, I played around with Playwright, and I was very impressed. I feel like it still has a ways to go, but I feel really pretty confident in Playwright's abilities here. So yeah, there's not much by way of tests that we have so far. It's just registration, login, and existing users, reset password. So yeah, there are some bits of this that are going to be a little tricky. I'm not sure how to do these things in Playwright. So actually, maybe I'll get lucky, and I'm going to just share this with Playwright folks. So Playwright has a Discord. I don't know if it's public yet, but yeah, we're going back and forth on some stuff. I'm going to live stream. Oh, hey, little bud. Yeah, so I'm going to live stream switching from Cypress to Playwright right now for EpicWeb.dev in case anyone wants to come hang out. Join. And actually, let's get a link to this. Copy link for chat. Okay, cool. I don't even know what time zone all the Playwright folks are in, but yeah, if I'm lucky, maybe one of them will show up so that they can answer my questions about, I'm mostly interested in how we're going to do this bit. Maybe there's a different way to do that, or a different way we should be doing that. Okay, anyway, so yeah, that's what we're going to work on. Where's centered? Implement Playwright E2E tests. And I'm probably going to need 2 hours for this. Okay, also, this is hot, so I'm going to take this off. And don't need those. And I'm wearing my React Miami shirt because they're announcing React Miami 2023 today. And I thought, yeah, let's wear that. It's a pretty sweet shirt. Okay, cool. So let's start with this. Playwright. Yeah. and I don't care about other web browsers right now. And yeah, we'll have it at the GitHub action. So I have the Playwright extension installed, and it's amazing. It really is. It's awesome. Okay, sweet. So we've got this test examples. I thought that it updated my git ignore. Yeah, I don't want that. Tests, and we have this test thing. Set up test env. Yeah, that's kind of annoying. 1 second. Yeah. Sorry, I've got my son with me. He's not feeling super great. And my wife needed to run some errands, so may need to drop for a second if he needs anything. It just happens, bud. I'm sorry. Okay. Sweet. So we've got our example spec. Yeah, for me, though, I actually am going to just use this thing. We're going to have, oh, you know what? I think I can go into the Playwright config. We'll come down here. And I want Playwright to be run across, against the dev server. And the dev server starts up on 3000, I think. Yeah. Trying to often I will change the end-to-end test server so that I can have the dev server running and then run the end-to-end test separately. And that's normally because yeah, normally because the I like having the end-to-end test run on a pre-commit hook. But I don't think I'm going to do that for this project. I don't know. I'll think about it. But for now, we're going to just leave this here. Just got a reply from Pavel, or I'm not sure how to say your name, Pavel, sorry. Get by role, yes, all of these things, and get as a shorthand. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Holy smokes, that's fantastic. Thank you so much. Fantastic means really good.
But what are you saying?
Oh, what's fantastic? Somebody did something great.
I love your shirt.
Thanks, I like it too. It's a good shirt. Yeah, the back is pretty cool. Okay, sorry, bud, I'm working now. Are you going to be okay? Are you going to take a nap? Yeah? Okay. Sweet. So that's good news. So now with that in place, I think I can come over here and say record new. Boom. Okay, and it pops open this thing. We're going to go to localhost 3000 rats. I guess I have to have the dev server going. I thought it would start it since I had that configured, but it does not. Okay, so now we go to localhost. We go to login. Oh, did it stop working? Oh, no, it's recording. Login, username, or no, we're going to go new here. Come on. Sign up, email. We'll be submitting, and then we'll go to, oh, I didn't, I don't think that this is going to work. Yeah, rats. I think I need to start this over. Yeah, forget this. Well, rats. Yeah, we're going to start it over. Delete this thing. And actually delete this thing too. And we're going to have enable, or what is that? So the problem is that this is only if it is E2E. Will it write that to the output file? Running E2E. There we go. True. nrd is alias to npm run dev. Okay, great. So now we're going to close this, and we're going to exit this, and we're going to record a new one. Going to localhost 3000. Going to log in. New here. This is Bob at example.com. Yeah, whoops. Oh well. We'll delete that. And then we'll go to this. And it was not updated. I wonder why. Huh. It looks like, yeah, mock service and running in ATE mode. I wonder why. I feel like I should have gotten a log too. Start. Yeah, see, it should log, but it's not logging. Yeah, post and then get. Well, that's not working. All right, cancel. We'll stop there, and let's log in here. Okay. Oh, that's giving me a 400. I just couldn't see it. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, you can't see it either. There it is. There's a 400 right there. Okay, so what is the problem? Valid, false, unique, true. So there is already a Bob in there. Really? Okay. Bob 1. Interesting. See, we don't create a user. Huh. Yeah, that's funny. Okay, well, in that case, that makes this easy. Let's start over. Record a new one. Okay. Localhost 3000. Login. New here. Email. Janice at abc.com. And then submit. And then there it is. Please go to this URL. Copy that thing. Get rid of that closing quote. And then navigate straight there. We'll have to add some fanciness to be able to identify what that URL is. And then Janice and Janice. Mary, Marcy, yep, sure. ABC, 1, 2, 3. I agree. I would like discounts. Please remember me. And then sign up. Oh, whoops, sign up. What? That's weird. Okay, and then log out. Cool, that should be enough. So now, let's open this sucker. Yep, there we are. Was it open the whole time? Okay, we're going to get rid of all these comments. I don't need these. Okay, so we'll go to localhost 3000. I kind of feel like I don't want that URL spread all over the place. So we're going to have our app URL. Okay, and here's what we're, can I change all these? Is there a way to change this to template? That's too bad. Template, no, that's too bad. Okay, fine. There we go. oh, right. Go to, how did it, oh, right. We went to onboarding directly. It's interesting that it didn't include the query string. I'm going to sneeze, one sec. Man, I almost didn't make it. I couldn't find the mute button on that thing. Okay. Yeah, so we need to figure out to do extract from, yeah, it's sort of a fixture. Okay. And then we're going to borrow some stuff from here. Yeah, let's bring in Faker. And here's our login form. Allows you to log in and register. Or, yep. Or register and log in. Or onboarding. That's what we're testing, the onboarding process. Okay. So we create our login form for this user. And fill email. Okay, sweet. So login. We're gonna until I get to mid-October, when we get the new selectors, I do want to have Playwright testing library in here. So oh, bud, Mom's almost home. She'll have something for you to eat. That'd be nice.
And I'll finish my thing.
Yeah, and then you can finish that. Yep. Playwright testing library. Let's look at the integration stuff here.
I'm gonna go upstairs. I forgot my phone.
Okay. Yeah, she'll be home just like 2 minutes. Yeah, I'll take that. Okay, see you, bud. Okay, I'll grab this. What is this complaining about? Oh, that's right. There we go. Oh, whoops. There we go. Coolio. Hey, Amir. Good to see you again, virtually this time. Just noticed your comment that you sent like 12 minutes ago or 14 minutes ago. Okay, so now I should be able to say screen. And screen dot get by role link name login. Okay, cool. And then expect the page to have that URL. Yep, that's sensible. And then new here is what I want. Screen get by role link name new here. Click. Beauty. And then this would be screen Hold on a second. Did I click it twice? Yeah, I think we're good. Yeah, then we're at sign up, and then we click on the email. Screen, get by role, text box, whoops, name, email. Email, text box. Okay, cool. And then I press tab. Well, I don't need to do that actually. And actually, press enter. No, we'll do it this way. Screen, get by role, button, name, submit. Okay. So then we need to get, here, let's comment out the rest of this. And let's just make sure that this runs. Can this be .test, please? I hope so. Yeah, there we go. Okay, I wasn't watching. That's not working. Oh, interesting. I forgot to add that. Whoopsies. Try again. Okay. Cannot find new here. Isn't that what it shows? Oh. Yeah, this is where actually might be nice to have the end-to-end test running on a different port. Yeah. So we're going to do that because I want to run it myself, but then I also want to run end-to-end tests against that. So we're going to put this as A181. I've done that before. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. And we'll go here. Let's get cross env going. Huh. What happened? Where's the browser? That is odd. Okay, what happens when I say port 8181? Here, cross env port 8181 Playwright or npm run dev. Yeah, it is on port 8181. Yeah, new here is there. That's what it says. Oh, what's going on? Close all browsers. It stops very quickly. Okay, npx, yeah, Playwright test. There we go. Yeah, it looks like we're not getting over to the login page. I need to sit down. Okay. Yeah, I'm just really impressed. But we'll see. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that I'm on board with this. I'm a little concerned about how much work there is with the DX. But I'm convinced that they're going to put that in. And I think it's pretty cool that it's got this extension in VS Code. It's pretty nice. I feel like I don't get enough visibility into what's going on. For example, I hit play, and what just happened? Nothing. I don't know. And there's no output. Yeah, and I don't see any browsers open or anything. It would be nice if this close all browsers would tell me whether there are open browsers, and maybe just don't show me that button if there aren't any open browsers. Okay, anyway, it is not able to find this new here, and we had a similar problem with Cypress, where Remix will update the URL right away, but it doesn't re-render yet. And so maybe right here, it's like, hey, I can't find this because it hasn't rendered in that page yet. Yeah, so it should be waiting for 5 seconds before it fails and says it can't find something. I wonder if that's the way that get by role works in Playwright testing library. These types are coming straight from DOM testing library. That's interesting. Huh. Okay. Let's see. Hey, that's interesting. Extract, query, find. That is very interesting. Huh. I've never seen that before. That's fascinating. How does that work? Huh. Okay, so unfortunately, I'm not seeing much by way of docs on get versus find. All of their examples use get, but I wonder if I used find, if it would wait. Hmm. Define queries. Here we go. Oh, we've got some additional unique things. We've got an element handle. Interesting for get document. I thought that locators were supposed to be weighted for automatically. Huh. I would expect that to be explained in here. But let's just see what happens if we first say, no, not that one. New here link. Okay. We're gonna say trace on. Kind of feel like trace on should be the default. I don't know why it's not, but yeah. Okay, still new here, not showing up. Let's see what happens here, just to make sure it's doing what I think it is. Yeah, so, yep, we click on that. And now we're at login. And we just need a couple more milliseconds probably for it to render or something. It's interesting why it doesn't wait right here. Yeah, okay, well, yeah, the wait for is not going to work because I'm not sure why. I don't know why. But find, see what happens there. Okay. So this time, new here, got to there and I clicked on it, and then it was waiting for app URL sign up. And instead, interesting. Yeah, I noticed that myself. Yeah, huh. It seems that clicking on this makes this show up, and then the click event maybe doesn't end up firing on this. So that's like a design issue, which is annoying, but good grief. Okay, so we'll fix that design issue first. The Playwright Discord, I don't think is public yet. They invited me to, so I could give them feedback on some stuff and tell them why I think they should just build in the testing library queries as like first-class citizens, which seems like they're going to do. But yeah, I think right now their communication is on Slack, and they're thinking about switching to Discord. And Amir, yeah, by the time I get to teaching Epic Web, I am hoping that their DX is going to be better. There's a lot to teach, and so we've got a couple months probably before I get to the testing stuff, testing workshops and stuff. So yeah, they've got time to make it really good. Okay, so username field is required. Yeah, so this is really annoying that it bumps around. So we just need to make it so it's not going to bump around. Maybe thing is, like, there could potentially be multiple errors. Yeah, which makes it complicated. Yeah, how do people design errors these days? I don't know. For right now, I'm not designing this anyway. I just need it to not bounce around so much. So we're going to say, where am I? This is the login. Username here. We've got list of error messages. Let's just do this. Style. Position relative. And then we'll say, no, this is a bad idea. We'll say absolute. And turn this into a div. We are not working on this right now. There we go. And min, you know what? This is stupid. I got Tailwind. What's wrong with me? Relative and min height, or height, yeah, straight up height. 16 pixels seems reasonable. I wonder what these UL props are. Well, they are nothing, apparently. We're going to do this, though. Since it exists, you may as well make it work. UL props class name. There we go. Okay, cool. That's better. So now, I'll betcha that this will work better. I don't expect it will completely work, but maybe it will work better. Okay, so now text box email, probably because we got here. Yeah, we never made it to new here still. Yeah, now we are, yeah, this is going to happen every time we do a route transition where it wants to proceed. Yeah, this is going to be a problem until the Playwright queries are built in, I think, probably. So instead of get by stuff, we're going to need to do find by. I'll probably do that for everything. Which, unfortunately, oh, the dog's here. Go away. And this means I need a wait right there. It's really annoying. It'll be okay. There we go. Yeah, that's super annoying, but it, you know, it's important that the thing works, and I want to use testing library queries. So what do you do? I think it might might actually pass. Yep, there we go. That's good. So next is let's figure out how to get this fixture thing going. So here it updated Janice ABC. but we're generating new thing every time, so it should be something else. So one other thing that we're not doing is I'm not setting the proper end-to-end thing here. What is it? Enable or E2E, running E2E. There we go. True. There we go. Now we run that, and we should get this updated. Nope. Huh. I wonder why. Are we actually submitting? Yeah, we're. Oh, why is this pressing enter on the submit button? No. Click. And then let's wait. Screen, find by role, button, name, submitting. To be in, or no. To be visible. Yeah, there we go. Okay. First break happening right now. I will be right back after a brief intermission. Okay, so that did not work. I wonder why it's not updating. So it's not running right now, is it? Yeah, okay, that's good. So it is running this command. I come over here, we go log in, username, or new here, whatever, at example.com, and we get that, and then, yeah, this updates. Yeah, tell myself to take breaks and tell myself to get off Twitter, tell myself good job when I finish a task. Yeah, it's kind of fun. Huh. So this updates when I run it myself. I wonder if yeah, let's show the report. I'm kind of thinking that it doesn't give my server time to respond before it closes it down. Yeah, well, let's wait for this. It'll work this time. Check it out. Boom! Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. So then, I think I should be able to just read from the file system. But let's see. It's sort of technically a fixture, so Playwright. So I want to do things the Playwright way. Fixture, advanced fixtures, using a fixture. Or maybe I should just fixtures. Yep, okay. Oh, we've got a base URL. That's nice. Is that not a thing? Huh. Oh. So wait, how do I set the test options? Here we go. Oh, here we go. performance heavy. Yeah, I figured that's why. Fine. Yeah, I like that a lot better. Okay. Yeah, we're going to need to have a way to, well, no, it'll be fine. When it's built in, I think it will automatically wait. Okay. So, coming back here. Very interesting. So, we may want to make one of these for authenticated tests. I'm not going to navigate the app, but we'll probably create the account. So up here, I'm using the testing library locator fixtures. Yeah, so each one of these is a fixture, I think. I wonder what this thing does. No, nada. Okay, I think that's okay. So I'm pretty sure then what I need to do, then I can add my own fixtures. Yeah, okay, yep, I think I'm starting to get that. Huh, yeah, okay, so coming back to what I'm doing, looks like what I'm, here, we're gonna just leave this for now. Looks like what I want to do, oh, actually, you know what? No, let's do, seems like it's the more natural thing to do. We're going to call this read email or yeah, read email. I wonder why it's an array. The first argument, yeah, and then the second argument is config. Yeah, okay. Okay, interesting. So, and then scope worker. No, actually, we want auto true. I think so. I'm still a little confused about auto true. Yeah, so what I think we want to do is test.ts. We put all this stuff in here. And then we import test from test and expect. Yep, there we go. All right, and then with that, we should actually read email. No? And read email. Yeah, so read email will be a async function. Here, it'll be a type of read email. There we go. Okay, then I need the types for this. This is kind of annoying. Fixtures. Yeesh. Okay, let's see, what is... Just trying to see. How do they do that? I wonder why they do this. It doesn't do anything. Oh, except, yeah, huh. Okay, that's not, that's a mutating function. Should not be called get queries for element. Huh. Well, that's annoying. Do they have recommendations on creating your own? All right, fine. We're just gonna say stick it in line, and then we'll say it is async function that returns I never know the syntax for this thing. Ugh. Okay, yeah, good. So it's a function that returns a promise that resolves to an email or null. And an email is to from subject text HTML. Email. There we go. Okay, cool. So then we have use this is complaining because yeah, man, those types are interesting. Okay, so let's bring in fs, import fs from, or no, don't need that. We can require it. Require mux msw local JSON try. Yeah, we'll just go with that. MSW output. Okay, 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay. Here we go. So I don't need this. I just, whoops, stick that there. Yeah, so now I should be able to read the email. Here, read email. Email, wait, read email. Can I console log something? What happens if I do that? Whoa. What? Really? Are you two stringing this thing? What? That is so strange. What? What? Fixture parameter names.
You're halfway through.
What? Why? Oh my word. I do not understand why they are doing this. Whoa. Okay. Why? That is so unexpected. Huh. All right, well, sure. Hey, sweet. And we do get a console log. Nice. Hey, that's awesome. Good news. It worked. Okay. To do add validation. Okay, cool. So now with that, I can say expect email dot to be login form email, expect email, whoa, why, oh, yeah, expect email to be truthy. Yeah, it's too bad that doesn't count as an assertion function. Invariant email not found. Okay, so email dot from to be hello at rocketrental.space. Expect the email subject to match. I don't really care. Welcome. And email text. I want to extract the URL. So URL regex. URLregex.com. Wow. Oh, interesting. Yep. Well, const URL regex equals. Yeah, that's good enough for me. Okay, and then here, and actually, oh, and we don't need start to finish. We need yeah, from here to there until we get a space. Okay, regexer. Let's just grab our actual text here. Okay. Actually, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Sweet. Extract URL. Yeah, sure. Thank you. That works. Oh, hey, wait. I want to do it URL. Is that how you do that? I can't ever remember. No, it's like question URL. No, shoot. Named groups, syntax, JavaScript, regex. Where is it? Come on. There it is. Wow, I just want the syntax really fast. Where the heck is the named groups? There it is. Okay. Whew. So question mark and then the name URL. There we go. Okay, so then and okay. And then, yeah, that's fine. Nope. Yeah, this is stupid. There we go. Okay, cool. And then we will await. Yeah, that's what I want. Sorta. We want the text box for username. And we will actually not take, we will fill. It's not liking something I'm doing. Oh, right. Fill with, come on, Copilot, you know what I want. Login form username. Okay, and let's see how far that goes. I think it'll go all the way. I don't see anything I'm not, that I'm very unsure about. Okay. Oh. Looks like the text does not include, yeah, the word welcome. Yeah, and I actually don't really care right now what the text includes, so yeah. But it went all the way that far, so that's cool. Yeah, booyah. That's sweet. So if I run this, and we had a trace, oh, that is rad. Oh, that's so cool. Looks like we didn't fill, though. I wonder why it didn't fill. Oh, interesting. Username is too long. That's, yeah, that's actually kind of interesting. Username slice 0 to 8. I can't remember how long my limit is. Onboarding. Username. Validation, where is that? 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That was the problem. Okay, cool. So then we continue. No, we're not going to tab. That's fine. Yeah, so name, password, confirm password. name, password. Okay, fun fact. These things do not have a role of text box. What? Huh. That's right. Yeah, it says role text box, but it doesn't. Yeah, the accessibility guidelines say it does not have a role of text box for security purposes. So for our password, we're gonna say get by. Well, let's see. Maybe something changed. Okay. And then agree to terms of service policy, yada yada nonsense. That is checkbox, terms of service. Okay, and then we're gonna check off offers. Oh, hold on. Okay, check that off, and then remember me. And then we'll click on sign up. And there you have it. And then we'll expect the page to have that. Log out of Janice Mercy. Screen, find by role, link, name, log out. Oops. Yep. Coolio. Let's try that thing. I think there's a chance this could actually work. Like, but I could have made a simple mistake, but everything seems to be good. Let's see. Oh, right, except for the password, maybe. Yeah, because passwords don't have a role of text box. Yep, they're not listed in the available roles. They're just generic, which is a shame. So for both of these will be find by label, text. Okay, try that again. Cannot find role link, log out. Interesting. Did I? Huh. It's right there. Oh, it's a button. That makes sense. That is actually correct. I'm glad that it caught that. We would not want that to be a link. Ta-da! Sweet. We got our onboarding done. I like it way better than the Cypress version of this. Yeah, I feel way, way better about how this works, especially the retrieving the email, like this read email thing. That's awesome. Okay, cool. All right, so let's look at now the, so we got login and register, that was onboarding. Existing users to log in. Okay, so now we're gonna go here, log in. Oh, I've got a call. This shouldn't be too long. I'm trying to decide if I want to stop the stream or just pause for a little bit. Just do a break. I think we're going to stop the stream. So I've got a meeting. Shouldn't be too long. But then maybe like a half hour. And then I will be back and I'll start a new stream. So thanks everybody for hanging out. It was fun. And yeah, we're going to do login and stuff with Playwright. Feeling pretty good about this. Thanks everybody. We'll see you soon.